My name is Earl B. Hunter Jr. I'm here with my colleague, Rayleigh. And Rayleigh, are you excited to be here at North Carolina State Parks?
I'm always excited to be outside, Earl.
Well, listen, it's cool because we're outside at cliffs of the Neuse State Park. As a matter of fact, we've invited 3 amazing folks to come and join us as they take part in water sports, visiting the museum, camping, and what we love the most, the campfire. We all gonna get around that campfire and start having some conversations, and we're gonna find out we got more same than differences, baby. Woo.
I've never camped. I have a tent ready to go, but I have never been, and I'm eager to learn how to use it.
Well, and once you do it, you'll like it. I mean, you know, I have a camper now, but I started out in my minivan camper. You know, it's fun. Either way, it's just about being out in, you know, being out in nature.
And I was going to ask you ladies if you had any concerns or fears before we start our journey today.
No, zero fear.
Amazing.
Zero.
I'm just wanting to know everything we're going to be doing. Learning something new is always fearful to me. So, yeah.
Right on. So we're going to learn. Is this your first time at this park, right?
Yes.
Both of you first time.
It is.
And guess what? It's going to be one of the most amazing days of your life. Guess what? You're at North Carolina State Parks, baby!
Woo! Woo, woo, woo!
Can you tell us how it got that name?
Yeah, it's actually a Native American. It was named after a tribe, but it also means peace. The cliff is very unique for this area. You typically have flat land until you get right here to the park, and then you have that 90-foot cliff. So it's very unique.
So do they allow people to dive off of the cliff?
No, definitely not.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely not.
This is so beautiful.
It is. Look at it. How do we get down to the beachy area?
That's a good question. The best way to get there is to put on your hiking shoes, and then we have to hike down the cliff area.
Okay. Well, I'm ready. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Before we get out on the water, we got to talk about one thing, and that's safety.
Okay.
I'm going to be giving everybody a PFD, or a personal flotation device today. So just in case you go swimming, you'll float.
So that's like a life jacket, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
It's a life jacket.
Got nothing to worry about, ladies.
You get to have a safe and good time all in one.
Safe
All right.
and good
We're for it.
And we usually have lifeguards on duty if you're swimming, or there's ropes by the shore if somebody needs to throw one to somebody. But we're hoping to see some turtles today and some birds and some other things along the lakeshore.
Turtles and birds. Okay.
Y'all ready?
We're ready.
Where y'all going? I don't know.
We're just paddling.
All right, where y'all ladies want to go?
Wherever we can steer.
Right, wherever we don't crash.
Y'all got it. All right, are we gonna race?
Let's do it. Let's race. Yes, yes. Yes, race, race. gosh. Oh man.
I'm turning this.
I'm just feeling queasy, that's all.
Oh.
Easy.
Yeah, I get motion sickness, so.
I got you. You don't have to paddle. I got you. I got you.
Hey, listen, Shauna.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, thank you.
There you go.
Like 10 minutes.
It'll be okay.
Well, folks, it was an amazing day today. We had an opportunity to talk about water safety, do some trailing, which is hiking as well. And we also got an opportunity to see this campfire brewing. So what I would like to know is, how do you feel? And don't answer me all at one time. I want to know how this AG feels. How do you feel today?
Well, I feel a lot better now. I do feel great. This is my setting. I love being out in nature.
Right on.
So it's very enjoyable to see the cliffs, see the water, to temporarily be in the water, and to now be by the campfire enjoying time with old friends, new friends. So I feel great.
Right
I feel
on.
wonderful.
Right on. Rayleigh, how do you feel?
It's been great as joy, Earl, and I hope you ladies had an adventure today. And I hope it inspires you to bring more women out, or anybody out.
Absolutely.
We all deserve this break to enjoy the outdoors and just be present with each other. It's been so beautiful to connect with all of you.
Right on. Shauna, you're the least experienced of them all here at the sitting around the campfire and having an amazing time and enjoying the state parks. How do you feel?
Right now I'm in a state of peace, and I can honestly say that I am educated to one step closer to camping on my own.
Yes.
Woo, I love it.
Love it.
Well, you know, I always tell folks, the outdoors is not always peaches and cream, and you know, we'll let AG tell you, the water is cool, but for some folks, the water may not be as pleasant because of whatever the situation is. So let's not sugarcoat it. Let's talk about, that particular situation and how you feel about the outdoors, in particular water safety.
Yes, so I actually love being out on the water. I love kayaking. However, I know that it does not like me. I have motion sickness.
Right on.
And one thing about it is, I don't let it completely stop me. As everyone saw, I'll at least get out and try to see how far I can go. So it's not scary.
Right.
It's not scary to be on the water, but when you have, I guess, I don't know, I don't want to call it an underlying illness, or it's just a thing that happens. It can be uncomfortable, but you just have to know yourself and know your limits.
Right on.
And know, I know that I cannot do it by myself. Okay. Because if I do, I can't go out far. But so it was great though to have you all comfort me in my time of need and not judge me, and just be there for me to help me through it, because I'm feeling so much better now. And I just encourage everyone to at least try it, because you just don't know until you try it. But I feel great now, so I thank y'all for being there for me.
One of the pillars of Black Folks Camp 2 is that campfire on our logo. And one of the things that we always tell folks that we want experienced folks who love the lifestyle, to encourage and welcome other folks to go out in the outdoors so they can enjoy the outdoors. One of the greatest things to do in inviting folks to the outdoors is understand why they haven't been in the outdoors, understand why they haven't done certain activities. So it's really cool to ask questions before you start taking folks out, particularly not just on the water, but hiking. Understand and meet them where they are, and making sure that you're not just taking them on an activity that you want to go on, and they may not want to enjoy it, and they may not want to go on. It may not be enjoyable to them. And so we just want to make sure that you invite folks and welcome in the right way, and educate them before they enter this space. The outdoors is for everyone, and we're so thankful for North Carolina State Parks for wanting to join us in this space, wanting to help remove fear, add knowledge, and invite more black folks to camp and enjoy the outdoor lifestyle with any and everyone. Thank y'all for coming.
Thank you. Thank you.
Air bump.
And I'm excited to be here in North Carolina because at the end of the day, let me do that again. Everything is gonna be all right. Coming back.
What around the lake looks interesting to you to go and try and see?
That pier.
The bank.
Let's do it. The bank?
Gonna have a funky good time.
I like the kayak.
Action.
Hey, how you guys doing? My name is Earl.
Hi, I'm AG.
Earl, we already know your name.
I'm messing with. You know who was on point though?
Adrian.
10,000 miles gone. Cliffs of the Neuse State Park.
You got it?
All right.
Okay.
Here we go. Let me go. You ready? I'm gonna show you how professionals do it, baby.